Hey beautiful people, so I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about the Victoria's Secret's credit card. So a lot of people always ask like, "Oh my gosh, how can you get this credit card? What's the benefits of having this credit card?" Especially if you like me, you love to shop at Victoria's Secret and you want to find out like what's the benefits of it. And I'm going to talk about a way that you can get this credit card without them checking your credit score and without them giving you a hard inquiry. So go ahead and stick around to the end and I'll give you the details on that. So let's go ahead and look at the details on this credit card. So if you wanted to apply for this credit card like the regular way without my trick, without my different way, then all you have to do is go ahead and click on the link down in the description. I'm going to have it for you. But remember, I'm going to show you guys a trick too. So a few perks of this credit card is you'll get the coupon where you'll be able to save $15. And don't forget too, they have their annual sale, their semi-annual sales. You're going to get coupons during that time. You're going to get discounts. You're going to get a birthday gift just for you. If you spend more than $50 with your card, you're going to get free shipping, which is really amazing. And then, too, you're going to get those exclusive rewards that I was telling you about, too. And then, too, like they're going to have a perk of the month that you'll be able to get, too. And remember, this is just exclusive for the people that actually have the Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, a lot of people wonder, like, what kind of credit score do I need to get this credit card? And like, what's more benefits? So let's go into other benefits, and then I'll tell you guys what you have to do to get it. Now, the biggest benefit and the one that really stands out the most, if you're like me, you love smells, then you should know that you can use your Victoria's Secret credit card at Bath and Body Works. They're under the same company. Isn't that amazing, right? So if you love to go to Bath and Body Works, you love to get your candles, if you love to get your little mist, your spray, your lotions, you love the aromatherapy like me, then you can use your credit card at Bath and Body Works. And a lot of people don't know that. You can use this credit card there. But a lot of time, my clients, when they go ahead and sign up for these credit cards, I see people get a limit from about $300 to like $2,000. So keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. You can go ahead and apply the regular way. Go ahead, pick which design you want, put your information in. They're going to need your name, your first and last name, your social security number, your date of birth. They're going to need your zip code. They're going to need all this information with your email address on there. And then they're going to ask you to do one additional buyer. That additional buyer is just an authorized user. But don't forget, if that additional buyer, if they buy things that you don't want them to technically buy and max out the credit card, you're liable for that. So keep that in mind when you think about adding someone as an additional buyer. Like, oh yeah, my friend could use it, huh? Yeah, but what if she use it and what if she don't pay it back? So keep that in mind. So listen, if you want to get this credit card without them checking your credit, without the hard inquiry, let me get into what I want you to do. So it's actually a trick. It's called the shopping cart trick. Let me show you how you can actually do it. So what you want to do is you want to go to the Victoria's Secret website. So when you go to the Victoria's Secret website, what I want you to do is I want you to put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart, right? So go ahead and look under sleep. Look under the Cami set and put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So this is the item that I always get. So when I'm helping people with this trick too, this is the item that I always go ahead and get. So go ahead and click the size that you want. I always just pick the small and I get 4. Now, I don't want you to really buy this stuff. We're tricking them, acting like we're going to buy it. And then they're going to give us an offer saying, hey, you're pre-approved for this credit card. So let's go further in and I'll show you what I mean by that. So we want to add that to the bag. And then we want to check out. And then we want to continue to check out. Now, the thing is, I already have the information here, because I already tried to do the trick with the client, so I didn't clear my cookies. But you're going to go ahead and put your name in. You're going to go ahead and put your name in. You're going to put your address. You're going to put your phone number and your email address in. And after you put that information in, let me go back. So I'm going to blur it out so you can't see it, but you'll see it as you check out. You're going to put all that information in. Then I want you to go down and it's going to say continue to shipping, or I'm going to click save changes. So after I click save changes, you're going to get the pop-up just like I got it, saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. So remember, if you go the other route that's here, if your credit score is not so great, they usually want you to have like a 550, 580 for them to go ahead and approve you, then they're probably not going to approve you for the credit card. But if you're like, Rickita, I want that guaranteed approval, I don't want to get a hard inquiry, then I want you to go this route. Now, when I say go this route, go ahead, put the $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart, and then make sure you're checking out as a guest. Check out as a guest. Now, one thing that you may want to do before you do this too is you want to opt into Factor Trust. Some people, they're able to do it right away, but some people have to opt into Factor Trust. I'm going to link another video down below so that you can see the complete steps on how you can do it from start to finish. So let's go ahead and pick the credit card. So what you'll do is you'll pick the credit card. As you can see too, you're going to get that same $15 off. You're going to get the birthday gift. You're going to get all the same things that they said you're going to get when you apply for regularly. So go ahead and pick which card you want. Now, let's see. I'm going to pick the pink card. I love pink. And go ahead and click Accept Now. So after you click Accept Now, you're going to see your personal information here at the top. I actually blacked it out because I don't want you all to see that. And after you go ahead and put your date of birth in and the last 4 digits of your social security number, you have to put that in twice. You want to go down to the bottom after you read all this stuff to read all this information about the credit card and, everything that comes with is 24.99% interest rate. If you're late, they're going to charge you up to $40. If you have a return payment, they're going to charge you $25. Just don't be late and you don't have to worry about fees, okay? And then go ahead and click Submit, or that basically saying that, yeah, I see all these terms, that's good, and finish, submit for review. After you click finish, submit for review, they're going to let you know right at the top, hey, you're pre-approved for $500. You're pre-approved for $1,000. But this is an easy way where you can get this credit card without them checking your credit score, without them looking at your credit reports, and without them actually giving you a hard inquiry. Now, a lot of people don't understand that this is basically a shopping cart trick. And there's more credit cards that you can do this with. You got Express. A lot of people love to shop at Express. I love to shop at Express because there's so many business things I can get, like cute tops that I can get and cute bottoms I can get from Express. So I love to shop at Express. A lot of people, they're getting those high approvals using this trick when they go ahead and apply for these different companies. Now, if you're able to get this pop-up, then what I want you to do is I want you to look down in the description and get my guide, my complete guide. It's over 60 credit cards. That way you can go ahead and peek through those and see if there's other credit cards that you want to go ahead and get and apply for those too using the same trick. And again, too, I want you to make sure that you opt into Factor Trust, and I really don't have that in this video, but I'm going to link it down below so you can see what that means. So I want you to opt into Factor Trust so that you can go ahead and make sure you get that pop-up. Now, if you have any questions, then definitely feel free to always call or text us. I say us because I have assistants. It's not just me. Go ahead and call or text us. And remember, there's more credit cards than just the Victoria's Secrets. And if you have a lot of inquiries on your credit reports or you need to remove those inquiries, I have my inquiry removal guide right down in the description just for you so that you can work on removing those inquiries. And now that you know this trick, you don't have to worry about getting further inquiries. So I'll talk to everybody later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all later.